What the fuck are you guys doing?
The fuck, bro? Let go of my gun!
No, you're shooting
Let go of my gun!
No, you're
Let go of my gun! Let go of my gun! Let go of my gun!
No, not unless you
Bitch!
shooting me.
Let go of my fucking gun, you old pussy ass bitch! Don't fucking touch my gun again!
Stop, man.
Fuck, bro! Fuck you!
Get out of here.
Suck my dick!
Chill out.
My fucking god, you old pussy ass bitch!
Get the fuck off my field.
That's what I'm doing!
Get the fuck off my field and don't goddamn come back.
Yes, sir! He...
Remember, no rushing. Who was it?
Not me!
Who was it?
Dude, what the f...
Do it! No! What the fuck? Stop. No, you don't. No, you don't, dude. Don't
Get
do
off
that.
my gun.
Don't shoot him. Just put the gun down. Chill out. Don't shoot him. You're gonna get hurt. You better not shoot me. What are you doing, man? We just told you. What are you doing?
Get off me!
No, I'm not gonna get off. You're in trouble.
Get the fuck off!
Dump everybody.
We don't give a fuck anymore. This game is do it again, dude. I dumped him. He shot me first!
Doesn't matter, man.
Get off me! He shot me first!
Hey.
He shot me
Hey,
first!
let him go. Stop.
He shot me
Stop.
first, so let go.
Take your mag out.
It is out.
Get
Like,
the
oh my...
fuck off my field and don't goddamn come back.
Yes, sir.
Undo your line.
Like, he was the one who shot me first.
He's gotta go too.
He shot me first, you fucking...
Hey, guys. This is not what we need right now.
Go away.
Let go of me.
Get the fuck off my field.
He's the one who shot me first, you fucking fat retard.
Yeah. Get the fuck off my field. Give me your goddamn gun.
Get off!
No! You fucking do that shit again, and you're going to goddamn juvie, you fucking kid.
He's the one who shot me first, and you guys are
Yeah, well, you
being
just
dicks.
fucking shot me.
Yeah, I know. Thanks for telling me. I'm so surprised.
Put your fucking
shot.
Put your barrel soft on.
Get the fuck off.
You're not allowed to control a gun at my facility again. Put your barrel soft on.
I don't have a fucking barrel saw.
Then why are you fucking here playing?
There, whoop-de-doo, now get off.
No!
Oh my god.
Cover the fucking muzzle. Now, I will walk you out. You're not controlling a
Get
gun
off.
in my facility.
Get the
No.
fuck off.
No.
Go away.
Get the fuck
Yes, I
off.
can, because I'm responsible for the safety of everybody here.
No, you're not.
the
This
second
is
time
my
today.
property.
Yes, and I'm walking out with you.
Get
Come
the
on.
fuck off.
Come on. You are leaving.
Get off.
Call your parents. Have them pick you up.